All right, guys, how's it going? I want to talk about UPC as this is probably one of my favorite penny stocks that I see at the moment. I'll discuss why. And yes, I'm currently in it. I bought some in the 25-cent region. But if you're in my Discord, you obviously know what I'm looking at. You know what the strategy I have. So click the link down below if you want to join. But let me just briefly talk about this as I do think this has one of the biggest run potentials that I can see for an oversold penny bounce. So as you see, the bottom band right here is extreme territories. When a price reaches this, this gets me alerted to my buy zone. It doesn't mean I get in right away. I kind of want to see like the candles hovering down from it, right? As you can see, we have lots of candles just kind of hovering it. And I like to look for 6 daily candles at least hovering it. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now 7. So yeah, we're definitely extremely oversold. We have this nice particular pattern that I found and I showed you guys many times where this pattern right here has made the most like the biggest moves I've seen in stocks do. So we're definitely seeing an extreme oversold depressing territory where people are probably irritated, and that's where I want to take come in and take advantage of this situation. So the price targets that I only see for now is this purple band, this EMA 5, and it's plenty of room to get up there. As you can see from here to here, that's an 81% move. If it does that, that is absolutely massive. I don't think it's going to do that right away. As you can see, this thing is going to fluctuate. So let's just say we get up to this bottom band here. Let's just say we hit this ATR4, which is customized to be extremely oversold. That's still 31%. So the way I'm looking at this is, yes, I do 2 accumulations on this, bam and bam, and then so right, like, it puts me right in this area, and then I'm gonna put a 20% stop loss, and that's the best risk versus reward I can see here. You know, if it just goes against me and it's just like it just wants to just drag down and just keep going down and not follow my system, then I will take a 20% stop loss. But I do see there's more potential in this play. And I think, like I said, it's all about risk versus reward in trading. I definitely see this going up big. The just to the lower band ATR, like I said, is a 30% move. To the EMA 5 is at 80%. And if you look at the history of UPC, it has had potential of hitting this upper band. So it had when this thing gets going, it can get going. And all throughout this thing, I mean, look at this. You know, it has massive moves up and also massive moves down. But you can see why you ignore a lot of these plays. If it does not touch your bands, you do not play it. As you can see right here, no play. And I'm trying to look for a situation like right in here. You see this, how you can kind of like, it gets really oversold. I wouldn't have played it because there's not enough time distance away from the EMA 5. We're not hugging the band, you know, for quite a bit. But as you can see right in here, even though, you know, the bulls come in because this is extremely oversold territory. This did a 36% move. I do think we have massive room up here. And honestly, the people who got in early, you just need to follow a system that works. This is the only system I do for swing trading because it really, you know, because since you can't control overnight risk, you need to make sure you look for the most depressing stocks. You don't have to play a lot of the stocks. Like I say, I hold the most, like, a max of 3 stocks, and I look for the best oversold stocks. And with this system, I can find where the price is before it pumps, and I know where prices has to go to. EMA 5 will get touched. It always will, and it's a guarantee no matter how crappy the stock is. And we haven't touched it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 daily candles is long. And that's usually where you get these extreme territories. Also, the KDJ is at 2.52. That is a nice area to look at. Lower the value, the bigger the bounce. You know, you'll see in correlation with this strategy. And then it would never go to 0. So that's why I really like that stochastic oscillator. It's just nice to really pinpoint entries here. The farther targets down the road is obviously EMA 10 and 20, but I don't expect we hit that probably till like a month down. I just want to see this first conservative target, and I mean, who wouldn't like an 80% move up to this EMA 5? I mean, there's massive returns here, and then just to this lower ATR4, there's also big returns to that. So there's, like I said, the risk versus reward is good here. And if you're in my Discord, you know what I'm looking for. And if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. I'll put the link. It'll be pinned in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll also be in my description, and what you'll get is when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. It's a nice server, lots of members in here, thousands of members doing this exact strategy that works. Hit how to subscribe, and you'll see. If you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer or your phone's browser. It's very easy. Also, avoid scammers. I will never message you, DM you, friend request you, or trade your accounts. I know it gets, trading is hard, but I promise you, you guys can do this strategy and be very successful. Read the testimonies. We have lots of people who are making bank doing this strategy, especially my day trading. And I'll get to that here. Hit the server shop in the top left, and I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro. What you watched was an example of a swing trading setup on how you get high probability of not losing and a very great risk versus return. So Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and you'll get access to all my alerts, day trades, swing trades, live streams, my journal, and how I do, and I even walk you through these plays here with confidence, and you're in part of a big community. All right, so the reason why I want you guys to look into day trading too is because even though I'm waiting on UPC, I'm still making money every day doing bigger cap stocks, day trading them on options and even futures, because this strategy works on anything. So think of it as a lower time frame. You can see as you're looking at it as a daily. You have to use a daily, in my opinion, for swing trading, and then you go to low time frames like the 1 minute and the 5 minute for a more consistent reversion to the mean on the shorter time frames. I think you guys are gonna really like it. $12 a month. You won't regret it. You can cancel anytime if you're not profitable, but I think what this strategy is, you are definitely going to learn a lot. So Day and Swing Trading Plus, $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, you get access to everything. If you do it on your phone, it will charge you a little more, but I'm really excited for UPC. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Let me know what your average is. But yeah, I definitely see there's two targets here. This lower band here, which is a very short-term target, and then EMA 5, which is very doable to hit. So, I mean, the range is up there or there. You got, about 20-30% here, and then an 8% here. But realistically, I can see this pumping 30 to 50%. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, guys. Stay blessed, stay humble, and let's make some money together. I'll be in the Discord.